Hi everyone, welcome back to my morning report. Chart appraisals on Friday the 10th of April with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst at Tantec Markets. My final chart of this week is gold, and interesting because the support that I talked about yesterday at 1190.90 actually, which is that reaction low that we saw in these 2 days here back in late Feb, that is holding on as support, and it got tested yesterday, held on, and arguably tested again today, and that is sort of beginning to turn it round. Now the momentum indicators are fairly neutral actually still. You had a slight drop away in the stochastics, but nothing really confirmed in terms of downside breaks, and I am interested in this chart because say looking at the silver chart, for example, which has completed a double top in this scenario, gold has not done that yet, and gold is holding on to this support, as I said, around 1191, and I think that is an interesting fact. Also, you've got the 21-day moving average, which had been resistance, has become support as well, so that's something we need to look out for. That's currently around 1189. So yeah, I think this is more, if you just take a step back, really, I think this is more of a consolidation, really. You've got these sort of range between 1191 or I suppose 1178 if you count that reaction low there, 1178 towards 1124. So I'd say you're more in a range now on this gold chart. This is the hourly chart, and look at this in the last hour. This really has been a move into safe havens in the last hour. Interestingly, spiking higher on the gold price. The dollar yen has also spiked lower, so there's a real move into safe havens just in the last few minutes, and it certainly looks like gold is benefiting off the back of that, and this is back above 1200 as well. That's sort of breaking now that sequence of lower highs, lower lows. You've seen a move above that 1202 mark, which you could argue is even a small base pattern if you wanted to measure that. So it's 1192 from 1202, so measure that higher by 10 bucks is 1212, which is not too far away from a testing of this reaction high here of 1212, and also the 1214 resistance as well. So we could well see some further moves higher in this gold chart. So it's just looks like it's a continuation of this sort of basis of support that we've built up around 1190. We've had this, as I said, this big strong candle here in the last hour, which is certainly a sharp move to the upside. RSI on the hourly chart is now the highest since last Monday. So that would certainly suggest that this selling phase is now done, and you're just into more of a consolidation phase, or a sideways ranging phase. And I think that is just confirms my views that this is more of a range phase than anything else at the moment. And gold is still trying to work out exactly where it's going to go next. But interesting moves on gold today. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold, and I will speak to you again on Monday. Thank you.